Adding a panel is very simple. Simply add a panel. We have 3 ways for registering a panel. With serial number, the MAC, by Wi-Fi, and it also tells us how we have to do it, which is going to be by Bluetooth or by Ethernet. It is very simple, you must have Bluetooth activated. Then register it. It picks it up at a distance of approximate 15 or 20 meters. You can register it perfectly, and then the configuration can be done normally without Bluetooth, via Ethernet or Wi-Fi or GPS. It also tells us that if we can't add the device for whatever reason, what we have to do is to reset it. It is very intuitive and tells you everything you have to do step by step.